Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. I'm Adriana and today we will present to you our system called UniMerbok Shopz, which is an e-commerce shop for UiTM Merbok students. So first and foremost, me and Damia will start on the customer interface, and this is how the login page will look like. And if the user insert an student ID and also a password, it will redirect them into the customer interface, and this is how the customer interface looks like for the homepage. And on the homepage, the customer can see the recent news happening in UiTM Merbok, such as Sukan Antara Fakulti, Hari Sukan Wanita, and also Extron. And under here, we have the Merbokian section where all the top sellers of a product are displayed here. And then next, we will move on onto the profile page where if the customer wants to edit their details or their credential, they can insert. So over here, say I put my name, and also they can adjust their date of birth and so adjust their phone number over here. And also they can change the password over here. And if they click on the save button, settings are saved. And also if we also have a logout button, if they want to terminate the session, they can do so by clicking this logout button, and it will redirect them back into the login page. So now we will move on to the card section, and I pass on to Damia to present.
Assalamualaikum. My name is DAMIA'SHAFINA binti Abdul Farid. So first, can you go back to the home page? In here we can see all type the product. For categories of product that Merbok shops have been offered, we have the all type of product that display all kind, and then we have the food and beverage. We also have a services, and then we have the books and others. First, we will go to the food and beverage, where in food and beverage it shows all the type that food and beverage that been offered. And once customer want to buy, they can add to cart the food and beverage they want. Also same to services, they can choose. Same goes to book and the others. Okay, I will move on to the cart page, where in here customer will be show all the list product category that they've been chosen, and in here we have the quantity, price, total price. And then after they press the payment button, it will display the checkout, all the type of order, the list, the receipt, and they can choose the payment method such as BSN, Touch and Go, Apple Pay, and Maybank. And then they can press the make payment button to make a full payment. And lastly, we have the complaint button, where in here customer can give their feedback such as positive or negative feedback. And after they done their writing, they can press the submit button. And that's all for customer page. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Miriam Zazina Mutia Syedah. I will start the demonstration on admin interfaces. So first, we will have to log in using admin credentials. So right after we log in, we will be directed to the dashboard page. So first, at the top we have the navigation, and then under the navigation we have keyboard statistic card. So this card provides a quick summary of important information, including the total number of products, total order, total revenue, and total customer complaints. This allows the admin to get an overview of the store's performance as soon as they log in into the system. And then under that, we have monthly sales chart, which displays the sales trend over the months, which help the admin to monitor sales performance more easily and identify any increase or decrease in sales. And then next to the chart, we have another chart, which is the sales by category chart. This chart shows how sales are distributed across the different products categories. And then under that, we have um, top selling products table. This table lists all the products with the highest sales, making it easier for admin to identify popular items. And lastly, we also have recent order table. Here, the admin can quickly view the latest customer orders together with their current status, making it easier to monitor order progress. And next, we'll move on to product interface. So the product management page, admin can manage all the product in the inventory. This page have a few functions. The first one is the search function. So admin can easily find a specific product by searching on the search bar. We also have a filter so that when the admin click on the filter, it will display product related product by categories. And then we also have an add product button. So when admin click on it, admin can fill the required product information and then click on add product. And once the it was submitted, the new product is automatically added to the product table. And then we can also edit the existing product information by clicking on the edit icon. And then after we update the product, it will be automatically loaded into the form. And sorry, the information that already saved, we load it on the form, and then after we updated it, by clicking the update product, the table is then will be updated with the new information. And then finally, if the product is no longer needed, the admin can click on the delete icon, and then a confirmation dialog will appear to prevent accidental deletion after confirming the selected product. The product will, after tapping the delete button, the product will be removed from the table. And then I will ask to Attila for the next demonstration. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. I am Atila, and right now I will be explaining for the order management and complaint navigation. So for the order management, we can see that we can see the total order, the pending order, processing, and the completed above. And then we also have a search button for us to search for the complaint ID. And then we also have a button to process or to complete the payment, or I mean the order. And then that is all. And then we move on to complaints. So for complaints, we can also search. We have a search button, so we can search for the complaint ID as well. And we also have the read, unread, and completed button. Right. And then over here we have the complaint details from the customer. So as an employee, we ensure that we also give replies to the complaints, and we also ensure that we take note of every feedback so we can improve, so they can improve in the near future. So once they give their response, the status will be marked as completed, and employee has the option to draft the complaint, the feedback, or they can save. And then yeah, that's all. So that is all from the employee.
And so that concludes our demonstration for UniMerbok Shopz, and thank you for listening.